Hello students, welcome back to the session of computer. In the previous video we have completed the components of Windows Explorer. Now in this video we will head towards other important tasks that we can do with the help of the Computer Explorer and different types of views there. So first of all, heading towards the different types of tasks that we can perform with Windows Explorer, just let us first understand that what are the different types of views that are available here in the Windows Explorer. You can view the files and folders in different ways. There are many options. It means that there are many options that are available for you to view your files and folders in many different ways. The possibility of the views are 8. You can view your files and folders in 8 possible ways. What are those ways? Let us see one by one. First one is extra large icons. This option displays the files and folders in extra large options. Suppose this is your Windows, so the options that will be displayed to you will be in the form of extra large icons. Okay, see here there might be, yeah, there is the view. See, the icons are available in the form of extra large icons. Okay, now second one is large icons. Comparatively it is smaller. The icons here are smaller than the extra large icons. In this option, files and folders can be viewed as large icons, little smaller than extra large icons. Okay, these are little bit smaller than extra large icons, but they are also large enough to view the files and folders. See, this is the view of the large icons. Now what is the third possible way to view folders? Medium icons. To view files and folders as medium icons, you can choose this option. It gives the best view, means it normally covers all your files and folders that can be displayed in a single window. So this is the best type of view that is considered to view the files and folders. The view is somewhat like this. See, this is the medium icons that you can view on your window. Then the fourth one is small icons. Files and folders are used as small icons in this option. There are very little icons that can be seen and you are not able to comprehend that what is being written there. So the options available are in the very small icons. See, in such a way. These are the small icons. You cannot comprehend that what this icon is. So the best view given is the medium icon view. Now fifth one is the list. Here the options are available in the form of lists. By choosing list option, you can see a list of files and folders with a small icon in front of every item, generally used when a folder contains many files. Now there is a list of files and folders with very small icons that is available in the left front of them. So the view is somewhat like this. See, it is available in the list and these are the very small icons that are available in front of them. Now next one is, sixth one is details. This option displays a list of files and folders with detailed information about the files, that is the name, type, size and date modified. Now this view gives you the detailed information of those files and folders, that what is the name of that file, what type of file is this, means what type of extension it is, like is it jpg, .jpg or .bmp. These are the extensions that you will study later. So what type of file it is, what is the size of that particular file. Suppose you might have heard that there is some picture and that picture is of 1.4 MB. So what is this 1.4 MB? This is the size of that picture. So similarly, what is the size of that file or folder is when it was last modified, means when it was last updated or edited or opened. So this you can view there. Now seventh option is the tiles. This option displays a list of files and folders with slightly larger icons than list and details option and have the information at the file or folder name. So what it is the form of the this option gives the list of files and folders with slightly larger icons. Like in the list there were very small icons which were available in front of them. The tiles contain slightly larger icons than list, and it gives the detail option also. It have all the information under the file or folder name. See, this is the type of tiles view. These are having a little larger icons than the list and details, and have the name of the file or folder also written there, and some information related to that file and folder. Now, eighth and the last type of the possible view is the content. This option displays the files and folders in a content format with name, type, and size information. Okay, so there's a format known as content format, which contains all the type of the information, such as what is the name of that file, what type of file it is, what is the size information of that file. So it contains such type of information. See, this is the type of content available. That see, this is the you can say this is your icon, this is the name of the file, then how, when was it last modified, what is the name, what is its size, what is the type of the file. These are all the information here given to the right of the site. So these were the 8 possible views that we can view the file and folders in. Okay, now let's head towards the next topic, that is organizing files and folders in Windows Explorer. How can we organize our files and folders in Windows Explorer? There are certain options of exploring the files and folders. First one is opening files and folder. That's how you can open a particular file or folder through the help of the Windows Explorer. When you select a file or folder or drive in Windows Explorer, open option appears in the menu control bar. Okay, whenever you try to open the particular file or folder, there is one option known as open option. Okay, this option is available in menu control bar. So let us see what are various steps to open a certain file or folder. First of all, you have to select that particular file or folder that you want to open. You have to select the particular file and folder that you have to open, then click the open option from the menu control bar. All files and folders inside the selected folder will appear on the screen. So here you will go on open. See, this is the menu control bar. Here you will click on the open option. So after you click, then all the files and folders, whatever is whatever is inside the selected folder will appear on the screen like this. Then what you have to do, then you have to select that particular folder and it will get opened. Okay, so these are the two steps of opening the particular file or folder. Now our next thing is creating new folders. That how can we create new folders so that we can store it and other information in that particular folder. So there are some steps to create the new folders. Let's see what are those steps. This option is used to create a new folder. Follow the given steps to create a new folder. Select the folder from the left pane. Click the new folder option from the menu control bar. New folder icon will appear on the right pane. You can type a suitable name for the folder. So what you have to do is you have to select the folder from here left pane. There are various folders available here, so you have to select the folder from the left pane. Now here from the menu control bar there is an option named new folder. You have to select that new folder option, and then here new folder appears, and here it is the privilege where you can give the name to your particular folder that you want to create. So you have to type the name what you want for your folder and just press the enter key. So your this is how your new folder is created through the help of the Windows Explorer. Now and next option is that we can perform the task, the task of managing the files and folders using Windows Explorer is renaming files and folders. Okay, you can rename your files and folders. You can change the name of the existing file and folder. Basically, suppose you have given the name, this is your folder and you have given the name ABC to this. Now you don't want this name, you want it to be saved as school. So you want to be saved, you want this folder to be saved with the name of school. So how can you rename it, how can you change it? So there are some certain steps to rename the file and folder. Let us see what are the steps. Select the file and folder you want to rename. Click the rename option from the organize menu on the menu control bar. Then what, that particular, you can say that cursor appears on the name. You have to type a new name, you have to delete the existing name using the backspace key, and you have to type a new name on the for the file or folder you want for that particular file or folder. See, let us see that how we'll do this. Suppose this is your Windows Explorer screen. So you select a particular file or folder that you want to rename. Then from that menu control bar, there's an option known as, there's an option named as organize menu. Okay, after that you click on that option. On that particular file or folder the cursor appears. Okay, then you can just press the backspace key from your keyboard and delete, remove all the existing letters there or words there, and you can type the name of the new, you can type a new name for that particular file or folder. Okay, now for this part this is it. Now we will cover the rest of the parts, that is from selecting all files and folders, in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Stay happy, stay healthy.